Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash day routine. It is that time again. I'm going to be incorporating rice water in today's routine because I do need a little bit of protein. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you're notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So if you guys watched my 24-hour deep conditioning routine, after that I actually blew out my hair and I had it like in this wavy look, as you can see here, and it was great. I wore it for a couple of weeks and now it's time for me to wash my hair. I was going to keep it like this for a little bit longer, but my hair started to get extremely itchy and I could tell that my scalp was getting oily, so I just decided to go ahead and wash it. So I'm going to be using this shampoo by Sauce Beauty. This is their Intense Repair shampoo and it has peppermint oil in it. And if you guys did not know, peppermint oil is a great essential oil for hair growth. But I really love this shampoo. It gives like a tingling sensation and it's really great at cleansing my hair without stripping it. And it leaves my hair super moisturized. So normally if you guys have watched any of my cleansing routines or wash and go routines, you will see that I don't put shampoo all over my hair. I just focus on my roots. But today I decided to go ahead and put it all over my hair since I did blow out my hair and it was straight. I do that because I feel as if it brings my curls back, having super clean hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put this shampoo all over my head of hair. So after I'm done thoroughly cleansing my hair, I will go ahead and rinse all of that shampoo out of my hair and move on to conditioner. So for conditioner, I'm going to be using the Tresemme Flawless Curls Conditioner. And I'm going to be doing a hydrating conditioner since I will be using the rice water as a protein treatment. And that's a pretty intense protein treatment. I want to balance it out by using a moisturizing conditioner. And I spoke about this in one of my previous videos where I talked about the protein versus moisture and how to find that perfect balance if you want your hair to thrive and not break off. So I will link that video down below in the description box so you can check it out. It's super informational and you'll understand a lot more if you watch that video. So what I like to do is slather the conditioner all over my head of hair and let it sit for a couple of minutes while I am washing my body. And then I will go ahead and start the detangling process. I like to section my hair, and today I'm going to use a paddle brush to detangle my hair. After thoroughly detangling my entire head of hair, I will go ahead and rinse all of the conditioner out of my hair and get ready for the rice water treatment. If you guys want to see how I make rice water and learn more about the benefits of rice water and how it grows your hair faster, I will go ahead and put all of my videos on the topic down below in the description box. So I made a new batch and I went ahead and put it in an applicator bottle. I think this is one of the easiest ways to apply it to the scalp. So I like to put the rice water all over my scalp, and I will go ahead and massage my scalp with the rice water, and then I will just put it into my hand and apply it to my hair as well. Once I put the rice water all over my hair, I will use a plastic bag or a shower cap to let the rice water sit in my hair for 35 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I will go ahead and rinse all of the rice water out of my hair and just continue on with the styling process. So this is how my hair looks after it is completely dry. So my hair is pretty big already because I don't have much product in it, but I'm going to go ahead and still pick it out to make it bigger. And yeah, that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.